Are you looking for the best sublimation printer for beginners? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Epson WorkForce 7720. Our top recommendation is the Epson WorkForce 7720, which accomplishes everything you need it to do at a price that most people can actually afford. Many small business owners sell sublimated things with Epson 7720 printers and have no plans to upgrade because they are so outstanding and can print up to 13 by 19 inches, which is very rare. The Epson 7720 features 2 paper trays, one for subpaper and the other for standard copy paper. Since this WF7720 is an office machine, it can perform a variety of tasks including copying, scanning, faxing, and color printing. One can expect this inkjet sublimation printer to print on cardstocks along with glossy and matte sheets. Usually, the Epson 7720 sublimation printer is known for its great printing speed and capacity. Through this printer's holding capacity of 500, one can easily realize that it is a great investment as it will reduce the printing and waiting to almost half. I witnessed the printout coming out within a blink of an eye. Despite having a maximum printing size of 13 by 19 inches, it is considered to be one of the best all-rounder printers that continue to work on a few timely ink refills. It offers a duplex printing facility that gradually regulates to the second side of the paper path, which I really appreciate. Moreover, it has an easy-to-use touchscreen, and the paper tray is large enough to load quickly. Number 2. Epson ET4700. Upon doing a lot of research and testing, I can highly suggest the Epson EcoTank brand of conversion printers. After using the Epson EcoTank ET4700, I concluded that it has extremely low running expenses for a multifunction inkjet with a monthly output of 400 to 800 pages, which is amazing. The wireless ET4700 is a compact all-rounder printer that offers cartridge-free printing through convenient filling tanks. The stripped-down ET4700 should fit easily on most desks, measuring 10 by 14 by 22 inches, HWD, and weighing only 11 pounds. While the Epson is comparable in size to rivals like the Canon CN-MIX6820 and brother HL L2320D, it is several pounds lighter. Wi-Fi 802.11b divided by G divided by N Ethernet, as well as a single PC connection through USB 2.0 all, come under the general interfaces of the ET4700. To connect a portable device with the printer, Wi-Fi Direct, a peer-to-peer network, is used. It allows the user to scan along with printing without the necessity of being included in the network. Speech-activated printing is supported by the ET4700, as it is by most other Epson and Canon consumer inkjets, via Amazon Alexa and Google Home devices, as well as any other voice technology that employs IFTTT scripting. When I tested this printer, ET4700 could print 10 monochrome pages per minute, ppm, which was as per the claim of Epson. Number 3. Epson ET2720. One more excellent Epson sublimation printer. In order to receive outstanding prints on any dye items like mugs or shirts, this printer falls under the category of one of the best dye sublimation printers for home use. Moreover, it will also give your small business a boost since it has ink bottle replacements of around 2 years of time, which would reduce the ink costs by 90%. For best results in terms of quality and performance, the printer could be used alongside precision core technology as well as inks designed and designated by Epson technology. With the usage of Wi-Fi Direct, the printer can be connected wirelessly to all devices such as iPhones, iPad, and any Android devices. It provides a limited warranty of 2 years upon registration to assure outstanding service and product protection. Filling sublimation ink tanks is simple, and the upfront cost and cost per printed page are also affordable. The ET2720 is one of the best dye sublimation printers for beginners that you can start printing with right away as long as you have sublimation ink, and there aren't any obvious drawbacks as a first-time sublimation printer. However, print quality will be lower than the competitors. In case you are searching for a sublimation printer that doesn't compromise on its quality when giving you a cost-effective deal, then the Epson 2720 is a must-have. Number 4. Brother HL L2320D. The Brother HL L2320D monochrome printer is a dependable, fast, and efficient monochrome, the best entry-level sublimation printer for home or office use. I consider it to be the best home sublimation printer because of its simple profile and simple setup. It is not one of the more expensive high-tech devices, as the company kept it simple but functional at a reasonable price. To discover more about this diva, let's get started. The Brother HL L2320D has a compact and squat layout. It's 30 cm deep and wide, and finished in gray. As it shares the profile of pricey Brother professional printers, the detailing of this smart printer will enhance the overall aesthetics of your workplace. This model's compact size does not detract from its capabilities, as it comes with a long list of specs that will fulfill all of your printing needs. It includes an 8 MB built-in RAM that stores your material until you're ready to print it. The paper tray holds 250 sheets, and you may manually extend it to load larger papers. Even for business people who cannot compromise on print quality, the printer's highest resolution is 2400 x 600 dpi, which is more than enough. Furthermore, the printer's energy efficiency mode is impressive, as it has a self-power saving capability that makes printing operations more profitable by lowering electricity expenses. Number 5. Epson WF7820. Last, but certainly not least. The Epson WorkForce Pro WF7820 is a far superior printer to the ET27XX series in many aspects, with one notable exception: it prints with cartridges rather than ink tanks. The 4.3-inch color touchscreen is simple to operate, with a quick access menu and buttons. It also has a duplexer, which allows you to print on both sides of a page. The WF7820 helps me increase my workflow by having a quick first page out time. It comes with a 50-sheet additional document feeder, ADF, which comes in handy when printing multiple papers at once. It also has a 250-sheet paper capacity, so you won't have to worry about running out of paper when printing drawings or decals. According to my observations, Epson is the best sublimation printer for hobby, as it was developed with mobile customers in mind. Hence, it includes a USB port. The WF7820 also works with a wide range of media, including plain paper, cardstock, labels, and envelopes, making it suitable for any sublimation business. It also has Wi-Fi capabilities, allowing you to connect it to the internet for online printing and scanning. When considering the WF7820 for sublimation, it offers a similar quality of print just like the ET2720, as it has the identical 4-ink process. However, you get an edge benefit of being able to generate wider 13-inch prints. This is really amazing since it is an economical choice within the range of Epson printers.